guys, how are you all doing? Guys, I want to unbox this with you guys. I received this packet for a week and now, but I have not unboxed it because of the passed away of my mom, and now I'm gonna open it and see what is inside it. Let's see what is inside this, guys. Let's unbox together. So okay, hope you are watching. You are watching what is here. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at, guys. Look at. This is so big. So huge. Oh my god, let me open this, guys, and show you what is inside here. Let's see, first of all, see what is inside here. This is two cartons inside. Oh, can we destroy this carton? We have to destroy it first. The next, the one inside is going to come out. Okay. I see 2 in 1 carton. They did that program for this, so that's how they put 2 cartons inside together. Oh my god, what have been made? What is really inside this carton, guys? Okay. Let's see. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. That is a lot. What's this really here? My hearing. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Whoo. This is big. Oh my god. You can use this to put some things, to store some things in your fridge or your freezer. You can use this for a lot of things. You can use it to do a lot of things, guys. Let me know if you have used this before. This is the small size of it, and this is the bigger size of it. Like a lot of it. I'm going to add a link in the description in case if you need it. Oh my god. And it has also the cover. Oh my god. It has covers, guys. If you are the food, you cook soup or you cook something or fruits you want to store in your freezer, this is what you need to store it in your fridge or your freezer. Like, oh my god, a lot of it, guys. Oh my god, look at it. See, this is a cover. You use it when you put anyone, just take a cover and close it. This is so good. Look at it. You can even use it to store your sugar, your pepper, or your spices, anything at all. Even if you don't want to put it in the freezer, you can use it to store your spices. A lot of things. Okay, let me use some of my things I have here. For example, let me get one of, I can use it to store, like, for example, I can use it to store my salt. This is this, okay? This is my salt. I may like to use it to store my salt, you know. I don't want to show the name, the place I bought this, Kaplan. I don't want to show them. Then I can say, okay, let me use it to store my salt. For example, you can add your salt here this way. Oh, just contain 1 packet of salt. You cover it, then you go and put it in your shelf. Look at it. You can use it to store your sugar, your pepper, your paprika, your whatever, your Maggi things. Look at this. Now you can now write something and paste it to indicate what you stored. You can write salt on top of it. Oh my god, guys, I'll make another video to show you this. I'll make another video to show you how to store this. Oh my god, look at this. Is also what to store things, and this is the cover. I have a lot of guys. I'm going to add the link in the description. If you need something like this, you can get it. There are a lot of things you can use this for. Okay, yeah, a lot of things you can use this for. Just get it. You're going to like it. Oh my god, this is the big one. This big one, I hope it have also cover. Okay, the big ones, I don't think the big ones have cover. So let me show you. Let me open the big one and show you how big it is. Oh my god, look at it. The big one, you can use it to save anything, to store anything at all around you. I'm going to make another review and show you what I use to store. I use it for. I'm going to show you what I use it for. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will add the link in the description, and also don't forget to use my code also to get it in a cheaper rate. And don't forget to share this video. Let me know what you think. Have you make use of this before? Have you bought something like this before? Let me know what you can use to store what you are going to use this to do. Let me know. And don't forget to like and share. Get yours, okay? Bye.